स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आप लोगों को स्टॉक मार्केट के बारे में। और स्टॉक मार्केट क्लोज सेंसेक्स स्लिप्स 324 पीटीएस, निफ्टी 25,586, ऑयल एंड गैस रियलिटी स्टॉक डिक्लाइन। Stock market closed Monday, January 19, 2026. In the broader market, the Nifty mid-cap 100 index was down 0.37%, while the Nifty small-cap index dropped 0.99%. Stock market live updates, market expert view. Stock market live updates, global risks a bit weakened after US President Donald Trump announced new tariff threat against 8 European nations, reigniting concern of the potential US-EU trade dispute. The development triggered a vote reached mood across global equity market, promoting investors to rotate toward safe haven assets like gold. Meanwhile, selected Asian market, especially China, displays the relative resilience supported by favorable micro indicator and stronger than expected export-driven GDP growth. Domestically, sentiment remain cautious and ongoing FII outflow is the Q3 earnings session progressing. Stock-specific volatility is the likely, particularly where performance has been mixed overall given the blend of global uncertainty and domestic triggers. Markets are expected to remain in a consolidation zone. Stock market live updates, technical view. Stock market live updates. The Nifty remain under bearish contour with the index sustaining below the 20 EMA throughout the session. Intraday volatility persisted and every risk was sold into the RSS continuing in a bearish crossover and trading lower as the index closed a multi-day low. Market fear remains elevated as the reflected by a spike in India VIX. In the near terms, the index may continue to drift lower with a potential downside. Target around 25,200, while resistance is placed near 25,700.